Hi children, good day. So today we are going to deal with geography lesson number 3, minerals and power resources. So we can deal with minerals today. So what is a mineral? So mineral are naturally occurring substance. You can see it is occurring naturally without any human interference. So it is naturally occurring substance with a definite chemical composition. So mineral has a definite chemical composition. So it's one is naturally occurring substance and with a definite chemical composition, that is mineral. So it is a definition of mineral. And one important feature of mineral is that it is not evenly distributed over the earth. The different climatic circumstances, topography, altitude, everything differs in different parts of the world. So accordingly, the distribution of the minerals also differs. So it is not evenly distributed, and in certain area, the mineral, if the climatic condition or the favorable conditions are there, then the minerals will be concentrated in certain areas, and that too in rock formations. So mineral means it is naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition. Okay. Now, minerals are found in different geological environments. I told you the nature, the climatic conditions, the topography, the altitude, etc. differs in different parts. Accordingly, the geological environment also differs, and the different minerals are found in different geological environments, and they are created naturally. I told you it's a naturally occurring substance. They are created naturally, and there is no role for the human to play there without any human intervention. So they created by different natural processes without any human interventions. Okay. Now, when we see a mineral, how can you identify the mineral? What mineral it is? How can you identify? So mineral can be identified on the basis of the physical qualities of the mineral. So looking into the mineral, or looking into the physical quality, outside appearances, we can say this mineral is so and so, like that. So the minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical qualities. Physical qualities can be color, density, hardness, or even chemical composition. Chemical composition like solubility, etc. So minerals can be identified on the basis of their physical qualities like color, density, hardness, chemical composition. Okay. Now, before going to the detailed aspects of the minerals, we can see what an ore is. Ore. There are different types of ore like gold ore, iron ore, copper ore, etc. What is an ore? Ore is the rock, that is from which the minerals are mined. So always the minerals are found in combination with the rock. So that particular rock in the combination of the mineral is known as ore of that mineral. There can be different. So if the gold is being mined or taken from that rock, that particular rock can be said as gold ore. Like iron ore means more iron content will be there in that iron ore than copper ore, like that. Now, what a rock is? So rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals without definite composition of a consistence of mineral. So there can be more minerals, but one particular mineral is not highly concentrated on that. So they can be said as a rock. So it is naturally occurring consolidated mixture of one or more mineral. So you have to learn our definition of ore and rock. Now we can come back to the mineral itself, types of mineral. So minerals can be classified broadly into two. One is metallic mineral and another one is non-metallic mineral. So from the name itself we know what a metallic mineral. In metallic mineral, the metal content in raw form is there. Metallic mineral contain metal in raw form. For example, iron ore itself. So it conducts heat and also electricity. Since it is metal, it conducts heat and electricity, and it has a shining nature, a luster is there. So metallic mineral contain iron in raw form, it contains heat and also electricity, and it has luster. That is a feature of metallic mineral, and example is iron ore. Now coming to the classification of metallic mineral itself. Metallic mineral itself can be classified into two, ferrous and non-ferrous. Again from the word itself we can see that ferrous mineral means it contains iron. Iron content will be there. In ferrous there will be iron, and example again you can use iron ore. Now non-ferrous means no iron. So non-ferrous means it do not contain iron. So example gold. Okay. So again coming back to the classification, second classification of mineral, that is non-metallic. What does it mean? There is no metal. Non-metallic means non-metallic mineral means it does not contain metal in it. For example limestone, etc. So again going back to the same thing, mineral. Wide classification of mineral is into metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals contain iron in the raw form. Non-metallic mineral do not contain iron. Now metallic mineral can be again classified into ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous means the metallic mineral contain the iron content, and in the non-ferrous there is no iron content. Now all these minerals are lying deep under the earth's surface or in a shallow depth. So all the minerals are being extracted from underneath the earth. Now how can we, there are different ways of taking out the mineral from the underneath of the earth. So we are going to see what are the different ways to extract or take out the mineral from the underneath of the earth. So extraction of mineral can be done in mining, the way of mining, or it can be drilled out, or it can be taken out by the process of quarrying. So extraction of mineral can be done either by mining, drilling or quarrying. And what is mining? Mining means it is a process of extraction, means taking out, extraction of mineral from rocks which is lying underneath the earth. So mining is a process of extraction of mineral from the rocks under the earth's surface. We are just taking out the mineral which is found in the combination of rock. That rock is taken out and the mineral are taken out from that. So mining. Now mining itself are of two types. Certain minerals are lying just under the surface of the earth, or certain minerals are lying deep under the surface of the earth. So we have to use two different methods to take this. So open cast mining and shaft mining are two types of mining. If the mineral are just below the surface, not much deep, in that case we have to remove just the surface and we can take the mineral out. Okay, that sort of mining is known as open cast mining. It is, the mineral is not under so deep but only at a shallow depth. We will remove the surface of the earth and we can extract it. So open cast mining means mineral that lie at shallow depths, not much below, shallow depths are taken out by just removing the surface layer, and that sort of extraction is known as open cast mining. Now coming to the next classification of mining, that is shaft mining. So certain minerals will be lying deep under the earth. So in that case a shaft will be dug till it reaches the mineral and the mineral is taken through this shaft. So shaft mining means deep bores. Deep bores, otherwise known as shafts, are made to extract mineral that is lying deep under the earth's surface. So extraction of mineral, three types: mining, drilling, quarrying. Mining are of two types: open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining means the minerals are taken out from the shallow depth just by removing the surface of the earth, and shaft mining means the minerals that are lying deep under the earth are taken by building a shaft and the mineral are taken through the shaft out. Now coming to the next one, that is drilling. So drilling means natural gases and oil are taken through the process of drilling, and these natural gases and oil are lying far below the earth's surface, So deep well will be drilled and this oil or natural gases will be taken out. That process is known as drilling. So deep bores are made to extract oil and natural gas which occur far below the earth's surface. Now coming to quarrying means which is lying just below the earth's surface, will be just dug out. So, quarrying means minerals that lie near the earth's surface. Near the earth's surface will just dug out. That process is known as quarrying. So, again extraction of mineral are done by mining, drilling or quarrying. Mining is or is again classified into open cast mining and shaft mining. Okay. Now, next is the uses of minerals. So, minerals are of various type, and in our day to day life in all the fields we use minerals. So, here we are seeing a few uses of minerals, Minerals are used in many industries for the production purpose, for as a raw material and all. Minerals are used in all types of industries. Then it used in gems, like jewelry, gems are used. Then for jewelry purpose we use this. Then copper. Copper is used from the making of coins to pipes, means in almost all constructions, in all manufacturing, copper is used. Then silicon is used in computer industry, and that is obtained, silicon is obtained from mineral quartz. Then aluminum, which is obtained from bauxite. It is used in automobile, airplane, in every aspects of the life we are using aluminum. So, there are innumerable number of uses of minerals. Certain uses are given over here. Now, we use mineral in our day to day life, but the occurrence of mineral takes thousands and thousands of years to replenish itself. The rate of use of the human beings of the minerals are much higher than the rate of formations of mineral. So, if you overuse the mineral, what will happen? These minerals will disappear from the earth's surface, or it will get depleted. So, in order to avoid the situation, we have to conserve minerals. We have to use it very carefully, and we have to conserve. And how can we conserve? We can either conserve by avoiding wastage during mining. So, while the mining process is going on, so many wastages occurs of the mineral, so that can be controlled. Then we can recycle metal, and we can conserve. There are innumerable ways of conserving minerals. So, a recently developed thought is that we have to reduce the use, we have to recycle and reuse. That is the best way to conserve mineral. So, this is all about topic mineral. Okay. So, read the lesson and learn the concept.